Well, it was straight on center and level all around, and it sat in the middle of the tiny town. But as the town grew up, well, it ate its farm, until all that was left was a big old barn. Its shiny roof then rusted brown, and posts and beams started coming down. Two grown-up eyes, they said poverty, but that big old barn, it called to me. So I snuck inside, I looked all around, and I could not believe what I had found. It was full of hay, too old to throw, and you could still smell corn by the silo door. It was full of mice, and it was full of moths, and it had a different nest in every loft. It was my playground, it was my home zoo, it was a million things a boy could do. But to the rest of town, there was an old eyesore. It had taxes due, and they would take no more. So they threw a match and let her go, and smoke poured out from the big front door. And there were firemen there, and the police too. There was not one thing a boy could do. It's straight on center, level all around. It sits in the middle of my hometown. See the shiny glass, smell the coffee ground. It's open all night on sacred ground.